300,000 GitHub stars in 5 months. OpenClaw is the fastest-growing open-source AI agent ever built. OpenClaw is an autonomous AI agent that runs on your machine. It connects any large language model to the messaging apps you already use. WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, Signal, iMessage. 6 platforms, 1 unified agent behind them all. 4 layers work together. The gateway routes messages. The reasoning layer talks to your chosen LLM. Memory persists everything locally, and skills execute real-world actions. Unlike a chatbot, OpenClaw runs as a persistent daemon. It receives your message, reasons about it, executes actions, and reports back. It's all in the background. Traditional chatbots give you text. OpenClaw gives you actions, file management, terminal commands, web automation, scheduled tasks, and persistent memory. OpenClaw is model agnostic. Claude, GPT, Gemini, Llama, or any local model through a Llama. Pick your brain, keep your interface. Everything runs locally. Your data never leaves your machine, your conversations, your files, your memory. All stored on disk, encrypted under your control. The Skills Marketplace, ClawHub, has over 2,000 community plugins. Email automation, smart home control, code review, calendar management, and more. With great power comes great responsibility. OpenClaw recommends running in a container or dedicated VPS. Sandboxed execution, permission controls, and audit logs built in. Getting started takes 3 commands. Clone the repo, configure your API key, and run Docker Compose up. That is it. Your agent is live. 300,000 stars. 6 platforms, 2,000 plugins, 0 cloud dependency. OpenClaw makes autonomous AI personal.